In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a lens flare in Luminar Neo. Whether you're looking to enhance the drama in your landscape photos or add an artistic element to your portraits, learning how to effectively use lens flare can significantly elevate your photography game. So, let's dive right in and explore how you can achieve this effect in just a few simple steps. First things first, you'll want to launch Luminar Neo from your desktop. Once the program is open, head over to the Catalog tab where you'll see a list of your images. You can either click directly on the image you wish to edit, or, if it's not already in your catalog, click on Add Photos to select the image from your computer. Once your image is open, it's time to shift gears and get into editing mode by clicking on the Edit option. Here, you'll find a host of tools available to transform your photo. For our purposes, navigate to the Creative section located on the right side panel of your screen. Within this section, you'll find the Sun Rays tool, which is key to adding that perfect lens flare effect. You'll want to click on the Place Sun Center button next. This action will introduce a white dot onto your photo, representing your light source. To achieve the most natural-looking flare, click and drag this dot. Ideally, place it near an existing light source or where the light naturally enters the frame, such as the sun peeking from behind a tree or building. After positioning the sun center, take control of the overall intensity of the rays by adjusting the amount slider. You can increase or decrease it depending on how subtle or dramatic you want the sun's rays to appear across your image. Moving forward, you'll need to fine-tune the lens flare effect by adjusting a series of sliders. These are powerful tools that can assist in perfecting your image. Start with the sun rays length, which dictates how far the rays extend into the photo. Meanwhile, altering the penetration slider adjusts how the light interacts with objects, offering a more realistic look as it passes through various elements in your picture. For a warmer feel, tweak the sun warmth to change the sun's core color temperature. Similarly, adjusting the sun rays' warmth will help modify the hue of the rays themselves, enhancing the image's overall mood. To further polish your lens flare effect, alter the sun radius and sun glow settings, giving you control over the size and intensity of the core glow surrounding your sun center. Lastly, for an added touch of realism, you can apply a blur effect to the background layer to simulate depth of field. Simply navigate back to the Creative Tools tab and use the Blur tool, ensuring you mask out the main subject to keep it in sharp focus. And there you have it. With these easy-to-follow steps, you can now create stunning lens flare effects in Luminar Neo, adding depth and drama to your photos. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.